Okay, quick review of the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro orange label navy gum. Long name. Comes in this orange box. I bought mine from Goat. So let's crack it open, see what's going on. Feels really nice. Ooh, don't drop it. Got that gun bottle. I don't know if this is leather or what this is made out of, but it feels really good. This came with a Nike SB sticker. What else it come with? Got the other one. Comes with a pair of white laces. See what the insole is like. See if I can take that out. See if it'll come out for us. Ooh. It's the insole. Put that back. Really nice shoe. Let's see how it looks on foot. All right. On feet, I'm flat-footed. It does have a real big arch in it, which I don't really like, but I mean, I'm flat-footed, so it is what it is. But I'm gonna take a few more videos, let y'all see what it looks like in a few, you know, pant styles, short styles, and I'm gonna switch up the laces on there for y'all too. So let me go ahead and do that real quick.
top the floor, what's the score?